There are plenty of ways to get around. Most cities and towns have an efficient mass transit system. Transit schedules are posted online. The websites usually have a tool to help you plan your trip. Need more information? Many cities have a special department to provide trip information. You can call the transit company to ask. When you call the company, you will need to tell them where you are and where you need to go. You can also ask if you need exact change for the bus. Drivers usually can't accept cash, and many transit systems have switched to fare cards.
Good afternoon. Unionville Transit System. This is Stanley speaking.
Hi, I need some travel information. I need to go to 52nd Street and Broadway. I live on 8th Street, near 5th Avenue.
Well, you can take the B12 bus to Mercer Street. Then you'll have to catch the B9. You can take the subway too.
I live near a bus stop, so I prefer to take the bus. What time does it come?
The buses run about every 15 minutes. Bus schedules are posted at the bus stop. You can also check our website.
How much does it cost?
You'll need $2 in change. The driver won't take dollar bills, and he won't give you change. Make sure you have exact change.
Okay, thanks for the help. Have a good day.
Most bus systems offer a transfer. If you need to take more than one bus to get somewhere, you can get a free transfer to the second bus or train. Ask the driver. Many companies have a toll-free number. A toll-free number is a telephone number that will not be charged on your phone. Vocabulary. Bus stop, the place you must go to wait for a bus. They are several blocks apart. They are usually marked with the bus route and have posted schedules. Commuter, someone who travels to and from work on the bus or train, or by car. Complicated, not easy to understand. Efficient, smart and fast. Exact change, the correct number of coins. Figure out, understand, have an idea about a situation. Mass transit, a transportation system provided by a city. Provide, give. Run, come, on a schedule. Subway, an underground train system. Catch the bus or train, get on a bus or train. Pronunciation pointer. Even though it looks funny when you write it, the word buses is pronounced buses. In fact, some people spell it with two S's, just like it's pronounced. Sometimes in English a word may have two correct, but different spellings or pronunciations. Have to sounds like have to in spoken English. Grammar reminder 1. The present simple tense, affirmative statements. The present simple tense is used to talk about things that happen all the time or usually. We use the verb in its base form. Don't forget to add the letter S in the third person, he, she, it. Examples. I live. You live. He, she, or it lives. We live. They live. Grammar reminder 2. The present simple tense, negatives, and questions with does. For present simple third-person questions, except the verb to be, don't forget to use does in the base form of the verb. Questions, correct examples. What time does it come? Not, what time does it comes? How much does it cost? Not, what time does it costs? To form the negative, just add the contracted form of not between does and the base verb. It doesn't come late. It doesn't cost too much. Grammar Reminder 3. The future simple tense, affirmative statements, and negatives. Use will, or the short form contraction, for the future simple tense when talking about a fact. You'll have to catch the B9. You will have to. You'll need $2 and change. You will need. Use the short form of will not, won't, for the negative. The driver won't take dollar bills and he won't take change. Stay tuned. There will be more reminders about will later on.